everyone, you ready for the Tasteful recipe of the week? This recipe is from the autumn section and it's Kipfler Potato, Radish and Pea Salad. And I've already made a start on it. So in here I've got the Kipfler potatoes. They're a lovely sort of little long potatoes. You don't need to peel them, but just boil them whole for about 15 minutes and then cut them on the diagonal. And when they're still warm, we're going to pop the dressing on it. The dressing is a mixture of olive oil, 1 cup of olive oil, there's 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar. I've also got 1/2 cup of dill in there, some salt and pepper, and 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. So we just give it a good old shake so it's really well combined. The trick with this recipe is make sure the potatoes are warm and then pour over half the dressing onto the potatoes. And what it does is it sucks up all that flavour so much better. So we toss those together. Now we can start adding the other ingredients. I've got a bunch of radishes that I've finely sliced. Some frozen peas which have been thawed. Just need to thaw them to room temperature because they've already cooked. And some cornichons. Cornichons are these little pickled gherkins. And give that a little bit of a mix. Doesn't look fantastic, so beautiful and glossy. Onto the platter. And we're going to finish that with some spring onions and maybe just a few little sprigs of dill. There you go. Beautiful with schnitzel or with roast or barbecue meats. And that's it. That's my Kipfler potato, radish and pea salad.